A world premiere for Bugatti is a rare event happening only once in a decade. The choice to hold this event in Molsheim, France, makes it uniquely significant. This is where it all began in 1909 with Ettore Bugatti. Seeing the lineup of vehicles developed over the last 22 years, alongside historic models from the 1930s, is a testament to Bugatti's evolution. It brings together the past and present in a truly special way. When we look back 20 years, Bugatti took an audacious leap with the Veyron, a vehicle in a niche all its own over 1 million euros, with a powerful 1001 horsepower engine. Nobody had attempted anything like it before. Fast forward to today, and Bugatti introduces a new model with a remarkable 1,800 horsepower, featuring hybrid technology and an upgraded 16-cylinder engine in a V4 configuration. This unique combination includes an atmospheric engine enhanced by the power of electric components, a blend of innovation and sheer power that keeps Bugatti ahead of the curve. During the last 6 months, Bugatti pre-sold this new model, getting a glimpse of the public's initial reactions. While the exterior design marks an evolution of Bugatti's iconic style, the interior represents a true revolution. This fresh, groundbreaking interior design has captivated Bugatti customers worldwide, many of whom were stunned seeing the car for the first time yesterday. It was a memorable moment, especially for those who had yet to see the vehicle in person, as their enthusiastic responses echoed those of other admirers. The setting is fitting for such a historic occasion, the storied Bugatti home in Molsheim, a place filled with rich history and significance. A new Bugatti model is always a monumental event, but a completely new car, developed from scratch, is a landmark moment that happens once in several decades. With this launch, Bugatti ushers in a new era for its century-old brand, symbolizing a continued legacy of excellence. The name of this new model is derived from the term horlogerie, referencing the highest level of watchmaking craftsmanship. This connection underscores Bugatti's dedication to pushing boundaries of sophistication while embracing a refined, minimalist design. This is more than just a car. It is a masterpiece designed to last through generations. The fusion of Bugatti's hybrid system with the V16 engine required a mix of analog features complemented by advanced stepper motors to keep up with the car's performance. Traditional mechanics alone would not have been sufficient to meet the demands of this cutting-edge machine. What truly sets Bugatti apart is its commitment to unique and personalized designs. Bugatti's clients are deeply involved in crafting their vehicles, customizing elements to make their cars one of a kind. This level of personalization allows each car to become part of the owner's legacy, something that can be passed down within their family. Each Bugatti is made to be an heirloom, embodying personal significance for its owner. Today, Molsheim stands as the epicenter of luxury in the heart of Alsace. Over a century ago, icons like Coco Chanel and Baron Rothschild traveled to Molsheim to pick up or customize their Bugatti vehicles. Today, the world still comes to Molsheim, a testament to Bugatti's ongoing influence and allure. The recent world premiere saw visitors from the United States, China, Asia, and other parts of the globe all gathered to witness the unveiling of this extraordinary vehicle. Indeed, Bugatti in Molsheim remains at the center of the luxury world.